just want to rearrange your nose, Anity. No big deal.
That's my nose. You're such a suck.
She's as big as you.
I know she is. Oh, hi. Hi. Ew. Shut your lips.
Jowls.
They're fucking chops, okay? Your chops. Yeah, those are your chops. I can't even fucking see you. You're so close to me.
Give her kisses. Ew. You stuck her tongue on her nose. Keep your lips together, Dana, and then blow. There you go. Stick your tongue on the dog's face. She likes it. Do it again. Oh, you're gonna get a jowl.
No, please don't.
She's not high enough yet for that. You're good.
What are you doing, dog?
She's cuddling.
This is not comfy. And you're laying on my phone and stuff.
Blow on her.
Got it.